Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel, exploring contemporary crockery unit design trends, unveil the world of innovative ideas to elevate the aesthetics of a modern kitchen and home decor. Crockery unit serves as both functional storage and style display pieces, and today's trend embrace a harmonious balance of form and function. One key trend is the use of open shelving in crockery units, creating a modern and era look. This allows for the display of your favorite dinnerware, adding a personal touch to your kitchen decor. Materials such as glass, wood, and metal are commonly employed in these units, leading a contemporary and sophisticated feel to the kitchen. Glass doors in particular offer a sleek and minimalist appearance while protecting your dishes from dust. Crockery units often incorporate lighting to accentuate the displayed items and create a warm and inviting ambience in the kitchen. LED strips, punk lights, or even spotlights can be used to highlight your collections. The color palette for crockery units is expanding beyond traditional wooden finishes. Matte blacks, deep blues, and mute pastels are gaining popularity, allowing homeowners to choose units that complement their kitchen's overall color scheme. The configuration of these units is becoming more versatile with options that include various cabinet sizes, drawer combinations, and mini racks, providing practicality and customization to suit individual needs. In conclusion, contemporary unit design trends embrace innovation and style, making these units more than just storage solutions. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.